You have reached your destination.
Yup. So here's today's job. I've got a few things I gotta still do on this damn thing. I forgot to do the reverse side of this. I gotta strip that. I'm gonna put these fenders onto here. I've already kind of done a dress fitting, and I need to put something under here to hold it up, but that's not gonna be tough. I'll put a box or something. Who knows? And I've done some thread chaser on all of the remaining um, captive nuts here. You can see some oil in these things and on both sides. And I'll get right to it here in just a second. And there we go. I have a lot of work. A lot of work to do with this one. Jesus Christ. It looks like this poor thing had smallpox or something. Yeah. That there is a brace I put in. Once I weld all of this together, it's going to be seamless. I'll zorch it off so it's not seen, but yeah. This one was a crappy fender. Oh well, that's okay. This one was a good fender. And you can see how well it fit there. With just a little bit of requested for assistance, vice grips and hammers and stuff, so a little bit of a ding there to repair. In all, pretty good fender. Here's what's left of it, and it looks like I did a pretty good estimate on where to strip all that stuff. So I'll put this in my backyard and store it until somebody claims the repair piece is, and that's that. From the back, looks like this. I think what I might do next at some point in the very near future is the hood. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, don't know yet. So, I'm done for the day. I've got laundry and house cleaning and all that other Sunday stuff to do. So, I will be marrying up these two bubbas at some point, sometime soon. And I will probably put both of them on their backs and do it that way, just so it's easier. The common plane being the outer edge. And we'll see how it goes from there. Yup.